Product keyword. So now you have your winning products, and you created product listing pages for each of them. But maybe you're not getting enough eyeballs on your listings, or your competitors are stealing your buy box. If this sounds familiar, you may not be using the right keywords in your listings. Although it's not the only factor, keywords play a critical role in increasing awareness of your listing. Using SellerPrime's product keyword tool can give you a competitive intelligence that will help boost your ranking. Once you start to track products, you can then use the product keyword tool located under each of your tracked products on your dashboard page. This special feature can be used in two ways. Number one, it can be used to look up the keywords of competing products by entering the ASIN. Number two, find out about all the keywords used in the listing and their respective metrics. Product keyword essentially generates different keyword combinations to make keyword phrases the listing could be possibly indexed for. If this is for your own ASIN, this could be used to analyze your product listing keyword strength, as this feature also contains search volume and CPC details. In addition to this, keywords are labeled as Amazon trending or suggested. Amazon suggested keywords, as you might have already guessed or know, means Amazon autofills. Trending is quite self-explanatory. These are the keywords that are currently trending on Amazon. If this is your competitor's listing, you can even find out where the keywords exist in the listing. Typically, if you find the keywords in either title or both in title and description, the keywords are likely to be their main keywords. You can make a list of their best keywords and find a place in your own product listing for these keywords. You can easily sort these keywords based on search volume, CPC, relevance, labels like trending, Amazon suggested, and refine the results. Select only the best keywords out of the whole list. Now, how do you categorize a keyword as good or bad? If the keyword has high search volume, it is possible that the keyword is very generic and has high competition or PPC. However, keywords with low PPC might hardly be searched for at all. Hence, the golden rule would be to have keywords with a combination of high search volume and low competition. Typically either Amazon suggested or trending. For a more thorough keyword research, you might want to head to SellerPrime's keyword research feature. Check out the tutorial video to know more about the keywords optimization process. This will give you an X-ray vision into optimizing your listing to the best it can be.